Hi, we're from Team Helikopter. My name is Victoria.
My name is Eamon.
I'm Sandra.
I'm Hayden.
Okay, and so what we did for our project was we built a Chrome extension that would blur out images and disable links and replace words into stars of sensitive content. The reason why we built this app was because we felt that there was too much really sensitive content on the internet, and it's not good for children to see them. So we thought that we could fix a little part of the problem by building this Chrome extension to help block out these content from children.
So another aspect of it is also for user enjoyment of the app. So when you're surfing the internet, if there are certain things that you yourself don't particularly want to see, be it like on a news page or on just any web page really, and if there's certain content that you don't want to see, then you can always either censor it out, so that's why we replace keywords with stars, or you can blur the images. So for graphic content, we think that's quite useful. So now we will show you how our app works and the procedures. The first thing that you do when you go to the Chrome to the Chrome page, and you can install the extension. So it's called Helikopter. And so if you go to Google and you click on the helicopter icon, this is the first thing that you'll see, which is a sign up page. So for new users, you sign up here, and this link will redirect you to our Helikopter web app. So then you can just sign up as usual, enter in all of your details and everything, and then you can go back here to the extension, and we already have an account. So we'll just email and password, submit, and you now are redirected to this page. So the next thing is the lock icon, which is the most important function we think of our app, because it's for security purposes, for parents to prevent children from accessing the material beyond. So then you can click the lock, you enter your password, and now you have access to the on and off button and the settings page. So if we click on the settings page, then it will redirect you here. And the blacklist is, again, one of the crucial parts of the app. So these are the keywords that you can enter in and that you don't want your child to see, or that you don't want to see, and it will block out these words. So we will just demonstrate that now with the word cocaine, for example. Okay, so then when you go to Google and you type in cocaine, okay, nothing happens because we haven't turned the app on yet. So you go back here, you unlock, you enter the password, and then you turn it on, and the word cocaine has been censored out and all of the links have been disabled. So I could click on one of these links, but it's not going to go anywhere. So this one that I clicked on was drugabuse.gov. But what it will do is it will send me, or it should send me, an email. So if I refresh, we get this, where an email that says someone has tried to access a prohibited website. So then what you can do is you go back to the web app. Once you sign in, you can click on your link history, and you can see all the way at the bottom at 6:17, someone tried to access this particular website. So then you can click on it, and then the parents can view what page or what link the child had tried to access. So you'll see that it's still blurred out. Certain words which have cocaine in it are still blurred out, as are the images. So then what we can do, again, you just unlock it, enter your password, and you can turn it off, and you can see the full page again.
And it also works for Google Images, where if we turn off Yeah, if we turn it off and then we go to images. So currently now we are looking at all the images of all the cocaine. Okay, and you want to blur that out. So we click on the icon, key in our password, and then we turn it on. And now everything in Google Images are blurred out. So that's the function of our Chrome extension.